10 good reasons what Bitcoin is going to be parabolic in this cycle. You want to know all about this and the rest of the information in the crypto world. Like, for example, the new stablecoin from PayPal. Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news found on the right crypto at tope. So, what are those 10 reasons when you are talking with your friends? You can tell them why you think Bitcoin is going to go to the moon according to Stock Money Lizards. These are 10 reasons. First one, crypto adoption. They might tell you that there is no real use case for crypto for the masses right now. But no one other than Elon Musk might be bring the first crypto-based payment system with this app X. So if that's true, that might be huge. He wants to make X become half of the global financial system. If this is related with crypto, you can do your math. Also, crypto ETFs. The major financial players are working on crypto ETFs that will allow access to buying crypto via the classic stock market. So you can see that the old system and the good one are mixing together. And as soon as next week, we might have some answer from the SEC, even though here I have some calendar data, and the first deadline for most the important ones will be September at some point, and then also February, and then we'll see February 2025 even. 2024, sorry. So we'll see about that. We'll see if the ETF is or not the huge argument, but also you have the halving narrative. You have April 2024, where you will have those rewards for the miners cut in half. And you can see here how Bitcoin price behaves after the halving. We told you all about this in previous videos. Also, geopolitical uncertainty. Well, with all these fiat fiascos, the lira devaluation, all that kind of stuff, some banks going bankrupt, well, maybe you'll find gold and crypto as your safe haven. Also consider that credit card debt in US surpassed $1 trillion, making an all-time high. What else? Well, geopolitical uncertainty. You can consider also here the logarithmic growth. That would be the fifth argument. You can see how we can top the market for Bitcoin's history, and we'll have 150,000 minimum for 2025 according to this. $500,000 for 2030 for Bitcoin. This would be good. We told you about that path in last video. Do not miss that out. And here Altstreet telling us how can the chart of Bitcoin make such thing so that we are around $100,000 previous to the halving next April. More things. Well, the Bitcoin cycles. Here you see how the cycles repeat every 4 years and have been very similar in the past. Bear market, bottom, halving, and then the bull market, which has been parabolic in the past. So again, this is a good 6th reason, and we told you about this in this video, so do not miss that out. More things. Well, Bitcoin is not a security. Remember all the drama with the SEC. Which crypto assets are securities, which are not? Well, Bitcoin is not. So again, something that makes the bullish case for Bitcoin. More, well, the Bitcoin network itself has now processed 110 trillion in transaction volume in its lifetime. The Lightning Network, high performance and ready for the future. You see here the comparison with other payment systems out there. What else? Well, the hedge against inflation Bitcoin is. With concerns about global inflation and currency devaluation, investors might seek refuge in Bitcoin as a hedge, similar to gold has been used historically. Hopefully so. And psychological momentum too. Very important thing. In the cryptocurrency market, psychological factors can play a significant role. If Bitcoin starts to show signs of a parabolic rise, it can attract momentum traders and speculative interest, pushing its value even higher. Those are 10 reasons, but more than that, now remember that in 2017, WEF said that by 2020, Bitcoin will consume more energy than the entire world consumed that year. Regardless of the fact that was an unrealistic forecast, if they were absolutely right, today the percentage of global energy generated for renewable sources would be greater than about 15%. Bitcoin mining uses around 58% renewable energy, while the global percentage is 29%. So if you talk with these people, with Greenpeace and with the World Economic Forum, tell them there's a new research from MIT about the positive impact of Bitcoin mining on the environment, emissions, and balancing the electric grid. So now more reasons this will be. The 11th reason, more and more green for Bitcoin every day. So now we have to consider, is Bitcoin going to go higher and crazy higher soon? Well, we'll see. The thing here with this article, I'll leave you all in the description, is that in order to have a good September, we need to respect this moving average, in this case, the 200. We want a bounce in the 20, we are doing it like here and here too, but also the most important one is do not losing the moving average of 200 days. That would be amazing. We told you in past videos that August is going to be green, and then 2 more green candles ahead. If we compare the situation with what we said in the past, watch the video where I detail everything about it. It was the one with the Barbie in the thumbnail. And now here in this article, some considerations about whales and retail buying. And you can see here in this chart that right now both whales in the red and retail are buying together. And according to this chart, whales are strong buying now, while retail may be selling a little bit more. So this is a whale accumulation period according to all these instruments that I leave you in the description for you in case you want to go deeper in this research. Well, Bitcoin, it's surviving, so we are happy. In the $29,000 line, we touch again that 28,888, a little bit lower than that. We are playing with fire. And here you see Red Capital telling us about a possible double top pattern that I believe it's possible, and I don't like it because we will go to around 25,500, something like that. I think that's a possibility because it throws this scenario till 1st of September. So our idea that dollar is going to be strong in August and then start going down in September will make the case for Bitcoin going down in August and up in September as we expected. But on the other hand, Crypto Yellen telling us that we might be following this pattern from November 2022, this fractal, and we might be crazy up in hours to come. We'll see about that. We will tell you everything here in front on the right. Smash the like button. Remember, use the links in the description if you think this is information of interest. And now, the huge piece of information of the day, PayPal is releasing their own stablecoin. PYUSD is going to be it. So now PayPal doesn't just allow you in United States and United Kingdom buying and selling cryptocurrencies, but right now they have their own cryptocurrency. We have here the video of the release introducing PayPal USD, their crypto coin, their stable coin. So it's created one-to-one to dollar. It's good for digital payments in Web3, built on Ethereum, designed to be compatible with most of the widely used exchanges, webs, and wallets to transfer, checks out, and cover. Available today in United States and other countries to come. This is huge, and this is huge for Ethereum too. A lot of people believe that because they decided to create it in Ethereum. So you can see that more and more Ethereum is going to be the layer 2 of everything in the world, in my opinion. But not all are good things there. A lot of people saying that paper stablecoin gives the company the ability to freeze and wipe your assets. And here's the code. So the idea is that maybe this is good for Ethereum, but not for decentralization. And we have some experts here, like, for example, this thing that in October, remember that PayPal was slammed for controversial policy that could seen users fined $2,500 for spending misinformation. The firm later backpiled it, claiming that the policy updated was published in error. So crazy, they were going to censor you. So yeah, some people here saying that it's amazing all what Ethereum has achieved. Now this ERC20 token for PayPal stablecoin. But again, some critics here telling you about how they can centralize everything. You have to do full know your customer. It's casted by Paxos, tied to your PayPal login. PayPal can reverse any transaction. They claim to be fully backed by actual USD. They claim that. And anyway, this is all the censorship capabilities of a CBDC, but launched by Big Tech instead of the government. So here, yeah, a lot of bad comments for that. So what do you think about it? Do you think it's a good thing? It's a good thing for the ecosystem. It's a good thing for Ethereum, but finally is or not a good thing for the ecosystem as a whole? Well, you have to decide that and tell me in the comments below. We'll see how this works out in the future. More things to tell you today is that this stablecoin PYUSD is allegedly backed by US dollar deposit, short-term treasury bills, and cash equivalents. But in any case, Ethereum is not going up. Why? If we have this very good piece of information, no one knows. We'll see today if it goes higher or not. And then also consider that everything is a scam until proven contrary. Nearly 30 tokens sporting the PYUSD ticker have been created in the 16 hours since PayPal announcement the launch of its new PayPal USD stablecoin. So remember, you have to go to DEXTools.io, link in the description, where you can know everything about these hot pairs. You see here PNDC. Be careful with all the names there that you find, because they might lie to you. Right now, this stablecoin allegedly just available in United States. Be careful, you can't access it right now. Again, DEXTools.io, the best tool for following this market. And also remember that they back BlockGalicia. We're going to be there in September 28th to 30th. We're going to have a blast. If you want a ticket, if you are a rider, if you watch these videos, you are going to have 30% discount, but just the 21st, and the tickets are going to be less and less available. So buy it today. You have the link in the description, and we have there a nice time. Thank you very much. And talking about DeFi, meme coins, etc., Mark Zuckerberg now dates when it's going to fight Elon Musk. Allegedly, he said that 26th of August would be a good day, but Elon Musk said nothing about it. So he's not chicken out. The market is in the red right now, fighting some coins to be in the green. The most important ones are losing some stamina right now, and the market still neutral. So that's a good thing. There's no fear. There's no greed still. Follow our friends and partners Roundup, because there you'll see all about these CBDCs, all this information, where are in the world some countries trying, where they have currency issued already, like in Nigeria, like in Jamaica, Bahamas, Eastern Caribbean dollar, or where they have a pilot, like All Asia, for example, or plan to issue a currency or exploring digital currencies. Follow Roundup, because also, if you follow them on Twitter or in Instagram, where you have also information about countries with VAT. And you can see that Spain, of course, is one of the worst, because we love taxes in Spain. We have to move to Portugal at some point. Well, follow them in all their social media, because tomorrow they're going to launch a nice draw. And if you want to take advantage of it, you have to have an account in Roundup, link in the description. And also you need to follow them on Instagram and Twitter at least. So do that, and we will take advantage of that and win some money that then you have to track with a good portfolio tracker. The one I use is Coin Tracking. I have been using Coin Tracking for so many years now, so I recommend you to doing so. You have a 10% discount if you use the link in the description. And more about adoption. German bakery accepting Bitcoin right now. One bakery at a time. Sweet. And stupid stuff of the day. Did you know, we got to know this on Twitter, thank you to the writers that told me about it, that there's a buster with salt. You can kill some flies and mosquitoes for just 74 euros. Man, that's expensive. I told you everything about that in this video yesterday that has double the views than other videos. Maybe, why? Maybe because I got electrocuted in the show live. So if you want me to be electrocuted, you want to see that, just watch the video. I'll leave you the link in the description. And here you can see people getting electrocuted at the same time. Stupid people just like myself, but having fun. If you want some safety, well, remember, I use Ledger Nano S Plus or X, and now you have 3 different colors. So if you like one of these, you can go with the link in the description and you help the channel. Thank you very much. Now here we compare the speed between a regular train in China and a speed train. You can see those are the riders from Fun on the Ride, speeding a lot. But first we need to learn, like this elephant is learning to walk. Just first steps. It's not going to be easy at the beginning, but you have the help of our friends and our cats. Thank you, G. Granil, to telling me that 8th of August today is International Cats Day. So we have to buy some cat coin today, probably so. And here for the cat section, you can see this Andy V said video he sent us. The cat is crazy about the trading this girl is doing all over his father. What about this guy learning about pump and dump in the market? This is the pump, and here we have the dump. Thank you, Mauricio, for the cat. And this one is scratching itself through the monitor because the candle wasn't in the green. What about this guy fighting himself? Is like, what is this? Oh my, it's yourself. Do not fight yourself. Sometimes we are our worst enemy. Crazy cat, as this one that believes is some kind of furniture there in your bathroom. What about this one? He doesn't want a kiss, so do not kiss the cat. And what about this dog from Johanna Castillo? Thank you for sending it. Thank you very much. What about this guy? Happy dog. And this head dog just eating some watermelon. We have no more time today here on Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party in peace. And the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope to the moon.